So one of the things I need to do after changing the oil, which went remarkably straightforward, although I didn't have a strap wrench big enough for the size of filter that goes on this Jeep, so I'll have to buy one of those, but I made it work with a wrench. But the forward differential gasket, or the seal, is leaking, so I need to, I'm gonna do both diffs anyway, because I don't know when the fluid's been changed on both of them. I'm gonna do the front one first, and it's pretty straightforward, so I'm not gonna do a big video on how to do that, but I thought this was really interesting. It looks like they have previous owner welded or somehow attached this extension to the fill plug, and I haven't messed with it yet, so it'll be interesting to see how easily that comes off or not. But then hopefully it's just straightforward of removing the bolts on the diff cover and draining the fluid, but pretty skeptical that anything on this Jeep is going to be straightforward.
Well, that's no problem to take 5 oil changes, because at Take 5 you never leave your car, so it's not the end of the world if you don't have a mess. We know new routines are hard, but at Take 5 new routines never felt so normal. In this world of
Okay, love you.
just drive in, relax, and we'll visit T5discount.com to get $7.
Okay, well, wow, that worked. Amazing. Okay. Huh. So it's welded on there. So all right, take it. Well, holy crap. They all came loose pretty simply. Okay, so I got the diff cover off. Went more smoothly than I thought it might. So let's take a look at what we got, because not a lot of oil drained out of it, so I'm a little bit nervous. So here's the gearing, and you're looking at it the first time as me, so I think it looks awfully clean. I don't see any metal. Yeah, wow, that looks great. So I'll just clean that up, and it looks great, I think. Let's take a look at the cover. And there's the cover. And again, magnet didn't really have anything on it either. And yeah, it looks great. So pleasantly surprised. I'll clean it up and put it all back together. And with, obviously with the new gasket.
So for some reason that I do not understand, I did not record the latter half of this project. Cleaning the diff cover went great, super easy. I used a lube locker gasket that I discovered through a forum instead of RTV. And I've actually, since recording this video, done my rear differential as well, and I actually showed how I use that lube locker gasket. So I'm going to put a link in a card and in the description, so you can go check that out if you'd like. But it's really simple. You just put the gasket on the diff cover. It gets held in place with the bolts, and it just bolts right in, and it's been sealing great. It's really a lot easier than RTV, and it's supposed to be reusable, so I'll look forward to trying that out. Anyway, I bolted it in. You torque it to 30 foot-pounds. Do 15 foot-pounds first. Go every other one all the way around until you get into 15. Do it again up to 30. Fill it up with gear oil until it comes out of the fill plug. Put in the weird fill plug with an extension attached to it for some reason, and you're done. Really pretty straightforward and easy to do on the TJ, which was really glad to see that happen. And as a bonus, this is Hound. This is my JKU 2011. So it's happy to have a little brother in the garage or sitting out in the road. Anyway, till the next video. See you guys later.